Welcome back to Get English Fit with Jane. Today we are looking at the present simple, both positive and negative forms. We use the present simple to talk about our habits and routines. So the things that we do and don't do regularly. We also use the present simple to talk about things which are generally true and to talk about facts, things which are always true. I want to look at the verb live. So to form the present simple, we simply have the subject, for example, I, together with the verb live. I live. You live. He, she, it lives. Notice the S. This is because for the third person singular, so for he, she, or it, we must add S. He lives. She lives. It lives. We live. You live. And they live. So it's very easy, but you must remember to change the end of the verb for he, she, or it. So an example in context might be she lives in Japan. You live in India. Let's look at another example. The verb is play. I play. You play. He plays. So we add S. She plays. It plays. We play. You play. They play. Both of these verbs, live and play, follow the standard rule, which is to add S for he, she, and it. However, there are some exceptions. There are some different verbs which follow different rules. Let's have a look at the verb watch. To watch. Well, watch finishes with a CH, and for this reason you will see a different ending to the verb for he, she, and it. I watch. You watch. He watches. So because of the CH, we add ES. She watches with ES. It watches with ES. We watch. You watch. And they watch. For other verbs like watch that finish with these letters, you should remember to add ES to the end of the third person. So to the end of the form for he, she, and it. There is one other type of ending that we use for the third person. Let's look at the example study. Notice that study finishes with dy. Because D is a consonant which comes before the Y, we need to change the Y for the third person. Just take a look. I study. You study. He studies. So notice we take away Y and we add I, E, S. She studies. It studies. We study. You study. They study. Please note that the verb have does not follow the rule. So for have, the form is I have, you have, and then he has. She has, it has, we have, you have, they have. I would like you to listen and repeat these example phrases. I study French. You drive a car. He eats pasta. She washes her hair. It finishes at 5 o'clock. We play basketball. You work in a library. They travel a lot. Now let's look at the negative forms of the present simple. So like before, we used the verb live. Let's use this verb again in the negative form. I live is positive. To make it negative, we simply say I do not live. I do not live in America. I do not live. You do not live. For he, she and it is different. We change do not to does not. He does not live. And notice live without S. We do not need to change the verb because we have the word does, and does indicates the third person. He does not live. She does not live. It does not live. We do not live. You do not live. They do not live. Now, to make your speaking flow and for informal writing, you can use a contracted form. So do not changes to don't and does not changes to doesn't. Let's have a look at another verb. So the verb watch. This time let's use the contracted forms. I don't watch. You don't watch. He doesn't watch. She doesn't watch. It doesn't watch. We don't watch. You don't watch. They don't watch. Study is the same, so I don't study. You don't study. He doesn't study. She doesn't study. It doesn't study. We don't study. You don't study. They don't study. Remember the example with have? Well, in the negative form, it is the same as the other verbs. Phew! I don't have. You don't have. He doesn't have, not has, but have. She doesn't have. It doesn't have. We don't have. You don't have. They don't have. Now listen and repeat these example sentences using the negative form of the present simple. I don't teach history. You don't ride a bicycle. He doesn't like tomatoes. She doesn't speak German. It doesn't work. We don't play computer games. You don't spend time on social networks. They don't buy things online. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss part 2, because I'm going to be teaching you present simple questions and short answers in my next lesson. So make sure you join me then. To practice what you have learnt today, write some sentences in the comments below. Use both the positive form and the negative form. I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.